Everybody, how you doing? So for all you that don't know me, my name's Jordy Johnson and I have my channel here, Carving Fusion. I carve like little Christmas trees like this, wood spirits like this, funny looking guy with the big teeth, and I've always struggled to have an overhead camera holder, okay? Excuse me. So I had one before, it was like this. And I had it upside down, you know, it had the teeth there, and I'd put my camera in there and it would be facing down, but my phone would always fall out of there, and this finally broke. This is what I put my phone in for my live feed, okay? I put my phone in there, it faces this way, and I talk, because I sit back here. So this is my carving station, okay? So this is how I made my homemade do-it-yourself camera holder, okay? I got this kind of an idea, sort of. He used Zap straps instead of these things. His name's Bap, and he has a channel at I Can Carve. It's K-I-K, Ken Carve. Like, both spelt with a K. So, this is what I made today, and I think it works pretty good. This piece, for when I'm doing my live feed, and I'm sitting down here, I need this to be out of the way. Okay? So, I have a beam going across my two side walls for my carving station here, okay? So you guys can just make like a, what's a U-shape upside down beam with 2x4s. Just like this, then this. And then screw this thing right to it. I put this board on just to make it a little bit lower, okay? So when I'm doing my live feed, and I don't want this to be in the way, this can just slide up. And I just do this wing nut and tighten it up. And it's out of the way. Okay? So this is piping strap, that you'll find it in the plumbing section. This stuff here. It's to hang pipes. It's just bendy metal. You can see. And this stuff here is what they use inside cupboards. You know, it's like grippy stuff. So all I do, I can lower it and raise it and lower it. This is just 1x4, guys. I just slip this out with my bandsaw. You can use a handsaw, you can use a jigsaw, whatever you want to do. Okay, so here it is, all loose. Just use your wing nut, tighten it up with a nut and bolt through here, okay? That's a nut and bolt with the wing nut. Okay, and this is a nut and bolt too. You'll see the bolt on the other side. Okay, so all you do, this is tight, ready to put your phone in here. And there you go. Hands free. Ready to carve. You know what I mean? So I'm carving away. If you want to lift it up, you can lift it up. But that grippy stuff in there really helps. They use it for inside like cupboards, you know. Or for boats. So there you go. Take it out. I'll show you guys again. That's it. Do-it-yourself overhead camera. Cost me like $2 to make. Real simple, guys. I'm going to do it, bring it down. Just take it up, tighten her up. It's out of the way for when you're not filming, you just want to carve her. It doesn't have to be for carving, guys. But I don't know. I think it's really hard to find an overhead camera that holds your cell phone. Because I do all my stuff on my cell phone, right? So I'll just slide this in there. Just like this. Boom, I'm ready to go, ready to carve. Hope this video can help somebody out there, because I struggled at having the overhead camera. This is a real simple way, guys. Real simple way. Just make yourself a frame, a square frame like this. Just like this, pretend those are 2x4s coming down here. Okay, 2x4, one across, and then one down. Screw this into there. You can make it so it rises or lowers, it's up to you. I wanted mine so I can make it go up and down. But anyways, I think that's enough. I think it's pretty simple explanation. There you go. And my phone's not going to fall out of my case anymore, guys. My phone's a $1,000 phone. You know what I mean? Put it in, that easy. So simple. It's too close, just raise it up a bit. Ready to carve, ready to do, ready to do whatever you do. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, oh well. See you around.